I got asked this question a little while ago. Why is my LinkedIn profile not showing up in other people's news feeds? I'm going to explain what that question may be all about, and the answer to it. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of this content for you. So the question is, really, why is my content not showing up in other people's news feeds? Because profiles don't show up in news feeds. What shows up in a news feed is your content and your engagement, your activity. That's what shows up in news feeds. So if you want people to see your LinkedIn profile, you've got to do two things pretty purposefully. Number one, you have to find conversations that are going on now that you can be a part of. Find conversations that are relevant to your target audience. Find conversations that are relevant to you. And then read those conversations, listen to those conversations, read the comments and the replies, and then participate in the conversation. It's probably the most powerful way for you to show up on LinkedIn is in relevant conversations. Now, additionally, you could start these conversations. You could start conversations with posts, images, videos, go live, do LinkedIn audio. There's lots of different ways for you to start a conversation. What you need to be doing is starting conversations that are relevant to your purpose for being on LinkedIn, relevant to your target audience, relevant to your ideal client, et cetera, et cetera. So you can either find conversations to become a part of and engage in meaningful ways on those conversations, and or you can start your own conversations by sharing relevant and useful content into LinkedIn that others may want to engage on and get into a conversation with. If you're not doing this, your LinkedIn profile will, for all intents and purposes, never get any eyeballs on it, or it won't get the right eyeballs on it. You got to be a part of conversations. You got to start conversations for your LinkedIn profile to show up through those conversations. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.